Tonight, Napa County health officials say they have traced a deadly outbreak of Legionnaires disease to a local hotel. But as KPIX 5's Sara Donchey reports, none of the patients ever set foot inside.
This kind of outbreak is pretty rare, and it's a bit of a mystery where health officials have to go back and piece things together to figure out how this kind of bacteria is spreading. Here's what we know about what happened so far. 12 people have been diagnosed with Legionnaires disease in Napa County since July 11th. 3 people were hospitalized, 1 is on a ventilator, and 1 has died. 8 of the diagnosed have since recovered. All of the people diagnosed live near this Embassy Suites hotel, where Napa County health officers found Legionella bacteria in a rooftop cooling tower. Interestingly, none of the people who were infected visited or stayed inside. Health experts say there could be an explanation for that, as the bacteria may have been sprayed into the air by a fan inside an AC unit.
It is airborne through the water source, so any water that's contaminated, that's aerosolized, then can be breathed in, and people that are at higher risk of having underlying medical conditions can develop Legionnaire's disease as a result.
The people who have been infected range in age from 58 to 80 years old. Legionnaires can cause cough, shortness of breath, and fever. The biggest challenge for Napa County officials now is trying to figure out if the bacteria is growing in water anywhere else, as they often locate more than one source in outbreaks like this one.
Just because we identify Legionella in one source doesn't mean that our job stops there. What we try to do is to identify other potential water sources, such as cooling towers, decorative fountains, and hot tubs or ponds, and around the area where the cases are.
Napa County is working with the CDC and the California Department of Public Health to investigate this further. They also say the Embassy Suites has taken that cooling tower offline, so the risk of being outside around that building right now should be relatively low. They say if you have any symptoms matching this disease, you should contact your doctor.